Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the air filter and the fuel filter in a John Deere D130. This is also the same process for the D140, as they both have the 20 horsepower engine. This project requires very minimal tools. It only takes a couple minutes to do. So let's get started. For this project, the only tools you're going to need to change the fuel filter will be a pair of curved needle nose pliers and a clip removal tool to help you remove the fuel line. You're also going to need a new air filter and a fuel filter. I do recommend that you use the home maintenance kit from John Deere, which is part number LG275. This kit comes with a new air filter and a fuel filter, and it also includes 2 quarts of oil, an oil filter, and 2 new spark plugs. And since these are all recommended to be changed at 50 hours, that's why I recommend buying this kit. All right, so first up, just go ahead and open up your cover. The air filter is super easy to change without any tools. There's going to be these 2 turn knobs on top of the motor. Just go ahead and turn these. Loosen them up. Lift it straight up. And here's your air filter. It's super easy to change. You just lift it up a little bit in the front and then pull it straight out. It comes out like that. So here's the new filter compared to the original one. So there's a little bit of dust and dirt in here. I'm going to take my shop vac and just vacuum that out real quick. Just take the new filter now, and that just slides over that hole, and then it just pushes down straight. That clips into place, and then reinstall your cover. All right, the next thing is to replace the fuel filter. So the fuel filter is located right here. It's this little bulb. Bulb will fill up with gas over time, and it'll filter through that filter, then go into the engine. Some gas will come out, so it's a good idea just to put some rags underneath of it, just to keep it from going everywhere. So what you're gonna do is there's this little clip right here. It's easy to use these little bent needle nose pliers. This helps you get right up there close to it, and then just slide it back, and then do the same thing on this side. Alright, so the filter should have an arrow on it. So if you can see, I don't know if you can see that, the arrow points this direction. That means the fuel should flow that way. So you want to make sure on your new fuel filter that the arrow is facing the same direction. So it's going to go on just like that. So I'm going to just pull this line off. So I got this little clamp removal tool. See if I can get up under there. There we go. And just separate it like that. I'm going to take my new filter, plug it in the right way. I'm going to have to move your clamps a little bit farther down, so slide all the way in. Okay. Plug in your new filter. There you go. And then slide up your clamps all the way. And you're good to go. All right, well that's how you change the air filter and a fuel filter on a John Deere D130. If you found the video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.